Hey fellow Piper drivers, look what I got. This is a wing inspection plate kit for the AD requiring inspection of the rear spars on PA-28s, a wide variety of PA-28s. So let's go through where I got this kit and what it came with. So where did I get it? First off, I got the kit from a seller on eBay, Trader71, who's been manufacturing these kits for a while. Cost was $200. There's a link in the description to the page on eBay where you can get them. Now, what does the kit involve? So first things first, it comes with a very nice 30/16 aluminum laser cut template. Now you can have you or your AMP, if they trust you, you can double-sided tape this to the wing. You can drill it and Cleco it in place, or you can use hot glue to glue it to the wing, and then you can drill the rest of the pilot holes and route out the inspection hole. That's a really nice piece. Then it comes with, of course, 2 doubler plates with the nut plates already installed, and everything's been it's been countersunk for the rivets, or dimpled for the rivets, all primed, very nice. Then it comes with the rivets for riveting the doubler plate in place. And along with the doubler plate, of course, are 2 inspection plates. Again, already dimpled for the screws, and it is all these are laser cut and laser matched through CNC cutting. And it also includes 832 stainless steel flathead Phillips head screws to screw the plates in place. And when you place this up against the doubler, the holes are perfectly matched. They're perfectly matched up. So that's it. This is the kit. Again, Trader71 on eBay. The link in the description. Now this kit is for the rear wing spar corrosion that was discovered in a variety of PA-28s, a lot of them, just about all of them. So the annual is in May. We're going to install these at the annual and do all the inspections. Now I've taken my borescopes and gone in and looked at where I could in the wings and haven't seen anything that jumped out at me. Now I have some experience in this, but of course the AMP and AI will make the final decision from what they see. I have a scope. I can go in through the flap extension rod, through that hole, flip the camera around, and I can look at the inside of the spar. Now, the funny thing about this airplane is it has 2 inspection plates in front of the main spar in the correct bays, but in front of the main spar, and these look like they're field installs. Very well done. There's no question about it, but they're there. Oh, the other thing I need to do, scare up some Mariner white paint, because we know all the planes are painted in Mariner white. So that's my kit. They're going in during the inspection. Now, as to the wing spar cap cracks at the outer bolt holes that needs an eddy current inspection, the 140s and 180s are not on that AD yet. The FAA is still collecting data, but right now we don't have to do that. But we do have to do this in the next 12 months. So in May, we'll do the inspection, mount the plates, good to go. And until next time, fly safe.